So that's 20%. Now, if we have input VAT of 5,000, we said this 20% is not claimable. So if our input VAT, therefore, is equal to 5,000, we remove the exempt sale, exempt, the attributable or the input on exempt based on our prorata, which is equal to 20% or 10K of our exempt sale all over 50K total sale multiplied to our input VAT. So multiplied to 5,000. So this will give us 1,000 pesos. So our claimable only will be 5,000 minus 1,000. Our input VAT is 4,000. Okay, why is this proper? Because I encountered clients that if ever they have exempt sale, they still claim all their input VAT. That is incorrect. Because if ever you have exempt sale, you cannot claim all your input VAT, especially input VAT attributable to the exempt sale.